Hello everyone, my name is Chythia Azzahra Angelina Putri. My student number is 242122311058 and I'm from class B. In this video, I will show you how to analyze data using descriptive statistic by calculating measure of central tendency and measure of variability, both manually and using Excel formulas. And I will show you how to create a frequency polygon. Alright, in here I already have the raw data in column A and there are 31 number, but the data is still messy. And if you have the same problem, you should sort the data from the small to the large. The first step is go to home, and then after that you should choose sort and filter. Choose the small to the large. Choose the with current selection and sort. And then after the data is sort, I will remove duplicate value. The first step is you should go to the data and then click remove duplicate and choose continue with the current selection. Pilih kolom sesuai kolom data mentah Anda and then click OK. And now I get 24 unique score. And then I copy this score into the table score, like this. Okay, the next step is I'll create the number column. You should type number 1 and then go to home. And then you'll find series. After that, click column and then stop value until number 24 and then click and you'll find this. And to find the total score, you should use sigma symbol and insert, and then after that you should click sum, block until the number 24 and then you'll find this. Now I'll calculate the frequency. Frequency means how many times each score appears in the raw data. The formula is countif. This. Okay, after that you should click the data mentah in the column A. After that, you should click the first row in score. And you'll find this. And then after that, same the before, I calculate the total frequency using the formula with the sum. Click frequency, block the data, and then you'll find this. Okay, next I calculate XF by multiplying score and then frequency, and then you'll find this. Okay, then I'll drag the formula with the other cells. Okay, now I'll show you how to calculate the mean manually. The mean is total XF, this, divided by total frequency, this. And then you'll find the manually like this. Okay, next, to check the result using Excel, I'll type average and then click data mentah, and then you'll find this. The result is same, so the mean is correct. Next, I calculate x minus mean. The formula is score and minus mean in the manual, and then you'll find this. When you think the data is still bigger, you should block the data, all the data, like this, and then after that you should click the first row in the X-min and choose the first row and score, and then you'll find this. Next, I calculate x minus mean square. From the first row x mean before, the difference is using square. And then let's move to the next column. With the formula in the frequency, here, the first row frequency, and then x minus mean square. And then to find the total, I use the formula same like the before. The formula is sum, and block all the number, you'll find this. Okay, now let's move to calculate the median manually. Because there are 31 data values, the middle values are the 15 and 16 data. So I added these two values and divided them by 2. To check it using Excel, I calculate the mean from the raw data with the formula median, and then click the raw data in the column A, Okay, next I calculate the mode. The mode is the value that appears the most. I can see it from the frequency column. To make sure, let's check the mode by using Excel with the formula mode. Like this, and then click data mentah, and the result is the same. Okay, next let's move to the range. Range is the biggest value and minus to the smallest value. And then same like before, I'll check it again using Excel with the formula max from the data mentah and minus min. Okay, now I calculate quartiles manually. For Q1, I find the position of the 1/4 of the data. And then I take the value of that position from the short data. And then you should check the data number 8 from Q1 with the column B. From the Excel, you just check, and then from the Excel, you just type quartile and click data mentah. Dan inilah totalnya. For the Q2, I'll find the middle position. Rumusnya sama seperti sebelumnya, 1/2, kemudian dijumlahkan dengan total frekuensi, kemudian ditambah 1. And you just check the middle position. And then I check it again using Excel with the formula quartile. And data mentah and then the result is same again. From Q3, I find the position of 3/4 of the data. Rumusnya 3/4 kuadrat dijumlahkan dengan frekuensi and then plus 1. And then find the position of 3/4 of the data. Here. Then I check it again using Excel with the formula quartile and then data mentah here, and then you'll find this. Then I check Q1, Q2 and Q3 using Excel. As you can see, Q2 is the same, but Q1 and Q3 can be a little different, and that is okay. Now I calculate interquartile range manually, which is Q3 minus Q1. Then I check it again using Excel, using quartile. Click data mentah again, and then click third quartiles. And minus quartile from data mentah, and then first quartile here. Now I calculate the variance manually. With the formula, total from the fx min here, and then total from the frequency, minus 1, and then you'll find the variance. And then check the result using Excel. Rumus Excelnya adalah var or variance, dan klik data mentah seperti sebelumnya, dan hasilnya akan sama dengan hasil yang manual. After that, I calculate the standard deviation manually dengan rumus SQRT. Dan cek juga dengan Excel dengan rumus STDEF. Dijumlahkan dengan data mentah. As you can see, the results are the same or almost the same. And finally, the last step, I will show you how to make frequency polygon. The first step, I plug the score and frequency columns, and then go to the insert, choose recommended chart, and then select the first chart. Okay. As you can see, I can adjust the size and position of the chart. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and I hope this video is useful for you.